Hello, folks over at Trinity Air Conditioning Company. This is Fernando from the Site Digital Marketing Agency. Spoke to Lourdes over there, and I promised to send a video analyzing your website. So here it is, and today we're going to be talking about three different things, primarily content, citations, and backlinks. So those are the what are the three top things that Google uses to rank websites on its search engine. So content is basically everything that you put on the website in terms of text, and all these letters, numbers, descriptions, all the information that has words that Google can then search and look for keywords that your customers type into their search engine, and Google matches you up with customers that put words in looking for you with words that are on your website. So the content is usually around 1,500 words, although probably more is better. You want to at least match your competitors or put more words so that you can put as many key phrases as you can into the site. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is here is a typical search on Google for AC Repair Miami, one of many searches that can find you. And the first thing you see on the search engine is ads. These things are expensive. They work, but not as well as you would like. And you can end up spending a lot of money and not getting much in terms of results, simply because a lot of people just don't look at them or click on them. They've had bad experiences, or they have search browsers that block the ads, so you would never be in front of them. The next section on Google search is called a map pack, and the map pack is something that lists local businesses in the area and ranks them based on something called a citation, the number of citations that their web has across the internet. Citation is basically something with your name, address, and phone number. It's basically a listing in a directory on the internet. So the more of those listings you can get out there, the more Google will rank you highly in this map section, and those are easy to get either by purchasing them or basically manually entering your information. And these three businesses have lots of citations, and that's one of the reasons that they're in this highly sought after part of Google's first page. Then if you go a little further down, you'll see the organic listings, and the organic listings are related to something called backlinks, and backlinks are essentially links on other people's pages that get that user back to your page. So if you have an air conditioning company that you maybe do business with or possibly have written an article for, and they put your website on their page, that's a backlink. And backlink they come in all varieties, so they don't have to be necessarily related to air conditioning, but number is definitely a factor, as well as quality. So the businesses that are ranked highly here are mostly there because backlinks, in addition to also content and citations, but backlinks primarily determine the order here and the fact that they're located on the first page. Now let's just take a look at your analysis. This is RF's a tool we use that we pay monthly for, and your website. And these numbers are important because RF ranks websites based on the number of backlinks and their authority. That means the power of those backlinks. So if you get a backlink from a major manufacturer of air conditioners that everybody knows, Rheem or something like that, that is a more powerful backlink than if you got one from a local website in maybe a restaurant or something like that that's not related to AC. So power from the website you get the link from has something to do with it as well. And these are your backlinks. You have about a little over 21,000 backlinks from 150 referring domains, and that gives you 154 organic keywords, and 42 people per month or get to your site based on their searches. So that is decent, but obviously this is all a comparison game to see who gets the most, gets the highest ranking. And let me show you one of your local competitors. This is a company you might or might not know, but they rank pretty highly on Google's first page. And you can see their content is pretty good. They have a fair amount of text on their page, which allows them to put keywords into their text and allows Google to find them more easily. So you can see all this content, all these words, allow them to put keywords in there, and that helps them rank higher on Google. So I would suggest you put more text on your home page to allow you to do the same thing. And if you look at their RF analysis, and you'll see that their numbers here are higher, and that's good. And they're also close to a 1-to-1 ratio, which also is a good ratio for those two numbers. You don't want one number being too much higher than the other. Their backlinks and referring domains are not as high, but you can see that they actually rank for more keywords because of that content, and that leads to 624 people per month seeing their business, and that, you can imagine, generates a lot of leads and a lot of business. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed and got something out of that useful, and you can apply it in your business website. And hopefully, if you need help or want any questions answered, feel free to contact me. Again, this is Fernando Garcia at the Site Digital Marketing Agency. My number is 561-945-6779. And if you don't mind, I'd appreciate if you could just send me a quick email or even a phone call to give me some feedback on the video. I'm always trying to improve them, and it would be very beneficial. Thank you. I appreciate it.